What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is focused on some of my favorite go-to lip gloss combos and lipsticks. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So we are a little up close and personal, and that's obviously because I'm going to be sharing what's on my lips. As you can tell, my lips look kind of dry-ish right now. I do have on a little bit of chapstick, but I typically like to start off my application process with my lip glosses and my lip liner especially on a dry lip. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys are some of my go-to lip glosses. These are kind of like my everyday looks. You guys see them in a lot of my videos and you guys always ask me. So the first thing that I like to do is apply a brown lip liner. Now, I don't specifically have a preference in the lip liner that I use. I kind of just pick one up every time I'm at the store that costs $1 or $2. And I mean, this is what they look like. They're kind of, this one is obviously my favorite. I like the pigmentation of this one. And this one I kind of bought the other day because I know I needed a replacement. But one is from Wet n Wild and the other one, the brand already went down. I gotta find it again. It's so bad that like I broke it in half so I can have one on the go, like in my purse. But basically I just take a brown lip liner and line my lips. And this typically gives my lips the illusion of being a little bit bigger or a little bit plumpier. And it gives me the ombre look that I'm looking for when I apply the gloss. And then I have uneven lips, so I always have to like line it a specific way so that my lips could look like they like each other. And then I also like to kind of just darken in the corners of my lips, and you'll see why in just a little bit. Okay, boom, so that's what I start off with, right? And then I go in with my lip gloss. I have 3 glosses that I take with me everywhere I go, no matter where I am. There's always one in my purse, in my car, inside of my room, and they're all by NYX, and it's the Butter Gloss. The colors that I use are Peaches and Cream, Praline, and Tiramisu. And I love all 3 of these because they're all very natural looking glosses. There's one in specific that's more on the pink side, but it still gives me a very natural look once I blend it in. And I'm gonna show you guys what all 3 of these glosses look like with the brown liner. As you can see, all 3 colors are pretty much the same. There's different pigmentations of pink in each of them, and when blended with the brown lip liner they kind of look the same, but there are very few differences that I like. The good thing is that since they are so similar, it doesn't matter which one I pick up and put on with my liner because I'm still gonna have the same illusion when it comes to how I want my lips to look. It's still gonna be a very glossy ombre type of look, so that's my favorite part about these. I also really like shading in the corners of my lips with a little bit more brown because that helps the color kind of just like fade in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. Sometimes I don't do that and I just line around the perimeter of my lips instead of shading in on the corners, and I have somewhat of the same illusion, but I always like just filling in a little bit more just because my lips, they're not necessarily small, but they're not the biggest ever either, and I like to have that plumpy type of look. Alright, so my next favorite gloss is actually a gloss by Covergirl, and it's part of their Covergirl Melting Pout Vinyl Vow collection, and this is actually in the color Hustle to Molt. I wore this lip gloss on a previous video, and a lot of you were asking me what lip gloss it is, what lip gloss is that, and I was like, oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. I actually don't wear it too often because I don't want to wear out how good the color looks, so I try to save it for like specific outfits or specific occasions. I really like this color, and I like wearing it especially when I'm wearing very like nature type of colors, for example like this olive green or some yellows or some very like neutral type of colors. This really brings about like your whole outfit and even your makeup look. I love this brown, and not only is it really cute, but it's also very long lasting. I typically wear it when I go to work on some days, and I'm good until maybe I eat like lunch, but it lasts a very long time for it to be a gloss, so I really like this color. Another one of my faves is actually by Covergirl as well, and this is their Melting Pout Matte collection. And this color is, what color is this? It's called Back Talk, and it's the number 320. I think this is more like on the purple side. I really like that. See, like, I think it's cute. I think I look really cute. I got some color on my teeth. I really like this. I love wearing this when I have a very bold look on my eyes. Like if I decide to do like a cut crease with some bold colors, this is something really cute that you can do it with. Or also when you have a very simple makeup look and you're trying to bring it out a little bit, this is how you go about it, honey. Covergirl. Covergirl is doing its thing, okay? Don't be fooled by Covergirl. I'm gonna show you guys just one lipstick. It's a matte lipstick that I really love. It's not drugstore, but it's so worth it, and the entire collection is really amazing. That lipstick is actually by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this color. It's called Trust Issues. This one looks very similar to the Covergirl matte lipstick that I just had on. The difference is that this one is a tad bit more expensive because it is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Anastasia Beverly Hills is kind of like a more higher end type of brand. The other thing is also that this matte lipstick lasts way longer than the Covergirl matte lipstick lasts. I do like the Covergirl one, but when I want something that's gonna last all day, where I can eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, have a snack, eat some chicken wings, and still be good, I always go for this Anastasia Beverly Hills Trust Issues matte lipstick. I have one more that I'm gonna share with you guys, and this is actually a drugstore lip cream that I really like, and it's actually by NYX because I really like NYX as a brand just in general. This is their Liquid Suede cream lipstick, and this is in the color 21. I don't think it has a name. Oh, I lied. Brooklyn Thorn. This is the Brooklyn Thorn cream lipstick by NYX Liquid Suede. See, I like the way like it kind of just like brings my lips, you know, like, I don't know, it just looks really good. This is not a color that I would necessarily wear every day, but it definitely is a color that I like because it's simple, but it's kind of bold. Does that make sense? Like, it's cute. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to go down below and comment which one of these lip gloss combos was your favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.